pilot. Yeah!
Yeah! Just us.
First, we're going to need your help and supervision to build it. Now, all the parts for the hovercraft are over there. But Jimmy, the first thing we need is something that can provide enough downward pressure of air to lift the hovercraft and you.
Now I think I've got that problem solved because this, everybody, is a leaf blower. It's 3,000 watts. Now, I'll do the plugging in, but Jimmy, I'd like you to be the person that will test it for me. So under this handle here, there's a button. Can you just squeeze that button in for me? Good shot.
Thank you. Okay, Jimmy, you come and stand over here with me because Mark is about to show everyone what we can see. Now, just like Christopher Cockrell, we've made our hovercraft from bits and pieces we had lying around. And this here is our base, and we've made it from plywood. And at the top, can you see? We've cut out a hole so that we can attach the leaf blower.
And around the outside edge, we've got lots of orange plastic sheeting. It goes all the way round. It plays a very important job. You'll see what job in a minute.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is attach the leaf blower. And we're going to supervise Mark, because sometimes this can be a little bit tricky.
Indeed it can. So leaf blower going on, and leaf blower is locked.
Brilliant. Then next, can I have 2 ropes, please, Mark?
Yes, of course you can. Now, Jimmy, I'm going to need your help here. This is a metal clip. If you could clip it onto that metal hook at the front for me, I'll be doing the same at the back.
Brilliant.
And then, Mandy, we're just going to stretch these ropes out to the side. Now, Jimmy, whilst you're up on the hovercraft, I'm going to be holding on to rope number 1, Mandy will hold on to rope number 2, and our job is to make sure that you don't go crashing into the audience. Yes!
Yes!
Perfect.
But of course, the most important thing for the hovercraft is your chair.
Now the 4 chair legs go into 4 bits of plastic tubing, and here we've got 2 pins. I'm going to need your help again, please. Could you push the pin all the way through the plastic tubing and into the chair leg? Excellent, and we'll do the same on the other side. If you can push that all the way in for me. So now the pin is locking the chair in position, so it's really safe. It can't go anywhere. We're all set.
So Jimmy, that means it's time for you to board the hovercraft. Yes!
Yes!
Oh.
Now, Jimmy, we do have to make sure that everyone's nice and safe, so we're just going to buckle you in. There we go, just like when you're in the car. There we are. Now, are we all set?
No, we're missing a couple of things.
Eh?
A couple of things.
Yes, of course. How can I forget? Because, Jimmy, we need you to look the part, so could you please put on your very own pilot goggles? Could you also please wear a flying helmet? Can we have a cheeky look, please?
And don't forget the scarf.
Yes, it can be quite drafty out on hovercraft, so we're going to need to put the scarf on as well. Are we ready?
Well, I think Jimmy looks the part. The hovercraft is set, so therefore, if it works, it will lift and move for more kinetic energy.
So, Jimmy, are you ready? Well done so far. Now, this could be a little bit noisy, everyone.
Let's take him away.
Now, Jimmy, don't panic. We're just going to turn on the leaf blower, so you're going to go up ever so slightly. Here we go.
You good, Jimmy? Let's go!
And we're off. So now we've switched it so the leaf blower is blasting air downwards out the base. The air is going round the plastic sheeting, under the plywood, lifting up the whole hovercraft, and pilot Jimmy. Jimmy, can you just wave to everybody? And everybody wave back. We're coming in for landing. Okay, Jimmy, here we go. Get ready. We're going to face forward on 3. Let's give him a nice big round of applause. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much for all your help. Now, first of all, Jimmy, may I please have a high five? Good stuff. You can have that as a memento. And, more importantly, as you go back to your seat, everyone here is going to give you one more big round of applause.